Welcome back to yet another video of Ed's Moto Mindset, and today we're going back to the basics, and that is I'm gonna explain everything that goes through my mind while driving the motorcycle. For everyone who doesn't know me, I'm Ed, I'm 32 years old and I ride a VFR 750 from 1995. For everything that I love and don't like about this bike, see my other videos. And to start the day off, we are waiting at the street light, which is always fun. The bike is still cold, so I'm giving a little gas so it won't turn off on its own. And for the rest, it's always important to keep everything in line, nothing left. Well, at least if I say nothing left, I mean no hazards left. So the guy or girl on the left saw me, or there's nobody. In this case, he saw me, we had eye contact, and that's basically it. So we're off for a great start. It's getting a little dark already. It's getting dark early, and we're driving in a beautiful Wassenaar. So there are a few people over there, shifting down, braking, and we can all continue. I don't mind slowing down for people, because this bike is so incredibly fast. I get up to speed in literally no time. So this guy wants to go right, I'll go here, and I'll just double check it. It goes fine. Checking right, nothing right. So that's I wanted to see where motorcyclists are looking at and why they look at. So I'm all the way left because of the car. At DHL, did he saw me? He did saw me, but he thought screw it. So I nodded my head and he gave me the sign that I can go. And that is the interesting part of riding. You're constantly so you are communicating with everyone around you, and if you don't, you're pretty soon gonna be dead, or at least crash, because you have to know if someone saw you. You have to know if they saw you, if you saw them, and you always have to be prepared for if shit goes wrong. So for example, this is a very simple road, there are no exits here, and I can relax. I'm allowed to go 60, so the 40 sign is a little bit obscure, but anyway. So I have a car, I can't see if something is on the other side, so I slow down a little, and there's an exit on the right, so I'll go to the middle. There's another exit on the right, so I go to the middle. Because I can, when someone screws out of it, another exit, I can go to the other side of the road. There's another exit, and there's nobody. So, another exit and nobody, another exit, and there is nobody. So you're continue, another exit, nobody there. You're trying to find the safest route any second of the day, because even if you had if you were allowed to pass or anything, a little too low, it doesn't like go under 2000 RPM, I should have known. And this is a perfect example of why you should always be prepared. I had the feeling he or she, I think it's a she, based on the hair, you're always in for a treat when you're not prepared. So I saw the girl waiting, I hoped she saw me, but she didn't, and she went for it anyway, so we had to brake a little. As you might have seen, I brake with my hand, well, you can't see it, but I brake with my feet as well, and I try not to over brake, because I only get in I will lock up my tires and I won't be any faster. So nothing right. And when something like this happens, a lot of people get angry at the car, but there's literally no point. What can I do? I can go close, hit on the brakes, or maybe slam the roof. Why the hell would I do it? She's had probably a long day. I think it's a she. Well, we call it a she for now. You never know it these days. Nothing on the right. And I'm already checking this road and there's nothing, so that's always good. And there's nobody crossing over there, so that's also good. I have some new gloves, by the way. If you like them, like the video, thank you. So it was an interesting start. And she is going very slowly, and she is not using the road as I should use it. I made a video about possessing magic and anticipating the roads like anything else, like nothing else. As a motorcyclist, you have to be prepared 24/7, and you have to be aware about everything that goes around you. And I don't like the car behind me. It's a bit too close, in my opinion. Well, what can I do about it? Broken headlight. Nothing on the right, nothing on the left. She seems a little bit insecure. I hope my audio don't stop working. I saw a new screen I haven't seen before. My voice recording. As she goes left, then we go right, because we can do... Oh fuck, I can't go right. That's true. Sorry, Toyota. As you may have seen, the Toyota went off, saw me changing my direction, and then stopped again, which is of course very friendly and great. I messed up my turning signal because I wanted to go right, and then I changed my mind. But if I do it, everyone can do it, so you always wait before you know for certain you have the free path. You're not going to win, even if you had every right to be where you were. We can pass her here, but I think I'll just pass her at the street light. In a few moments it will go 2 lanes, so I will get there anyway. We'll just wait here. It would be funny if I know her. I can't really see if it's a he or she. But. So we're waiting for the street light. You always want to check. What's he doing? Anyway, you always want to check the traffic behind you. If someone forgets to brake, you want to get out of there. Checking every part, and we can go. Oh, there's a guy. Well, a very old guy. He was a guy. I thought I saw some long hair. So we're off to a sort of highway. You're allowed to go 80, I think. I'm not even sure. Maybe 70. Okay. So I want to go along the truck here. If you pass a truck, you have to know for goddamn sure it's not going on your lane. So speed up, don't spend too much time next to it, that's it. There was no reason why you would go to the left. If there was any reason, for example a slower car in front of it, I wouldn't take the chance. So the BMW want to go, fine. Let's wave at the Honda. Oh, lovely, a little tunnel. I hope you can hear it. This machine pulls at 4,000 RPM already. It doesn't matter. Okay, so it's warmed up. It's warmed up now. Anyway, roads like this are pretty chill. There can come traffic in there. There's also an exit here. It's almost never used, but you always check it as where I've noticed the previous encounter. And the next part is kind of tricky because it changes to 50 kilometers per hour. which is a painful slowly speed at this double-roaded, not highway, but it's sort of highway, and you have a lot of times that people want to pass you, but you don't want to exceed the speed limit too much, and it can get a little tricky. For example, I drive 5 kilometers above the speed limit and I get passed by this Volkswagen like it's nothing. It is nothing by you. Nobody on the right. Nobody on the right. There's also a speed trap here. I don't even know if it's taking a picture from the front or behind. In front you don't have any problem because there's no license plate on the bike. They always slow down for some reason. It helps. Calm my nerves. Calm my nerves. So as you can see, I keep my distance. I don't want to get in trouble. So it's 1, 2, 3 seconds. Sometimes it's 2, depending on the speed. The lower the speed, the closer I get, and sometimes it's even more, of course. Obviously, it's from behind the speed trap, and it's also taking the red, so always be careful. Now we're going to switch lane. We want to go straight, but I want to pass everyone, of course. So let everyone know I'm there. Little guys, you can hear me. And there is nothing. Orange, checking out every corner. This car is not looking, it's gonna move. But as you can see, I keep an eye on him at any cost because you don't want to get crushed. So going to this place. The German guy probably want to go to the highway, you need to go left here, and I just want to go straight because that's the fastest route to my destination. So this was a pretty short video about driving. It was kind of eventful. I didn't expect that, but you know, you're gonna roll when you're gonna roll. I don't edit these videos, they're just what they are, and I want to give you some insight in the mind of a motor rider. Well, you get it by these videos. If you like this kind of content, please like. If you want to share, please share. If you want to subscribe, you will help me tremendously because I want to have 1,000 subscribers so I can turn off advertisements. I don't want ads on my videos. I'm here for fun, not for the money. Anyway, I will insert a video of my dog. If you didn't know, every video ends with a very lovely video of my dog because I believe my dog is the cutest animal on the earth, and it will give me 1 million subscribers in 1 second. It's saying something, I can't hear it. I hear the music in my ears, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.